So you want to change your oil, and you don't know how. So you've come to YouTube to watch some idiot. Hi, I'm your idiot Ryu. Today we're changing the oil on a Lincoln Mark 8 4-valve V8 engine. It's in a Mustang. I know it's kind of weird. Here we are. So basically what you want to start with is by looking up your oil capacity on Google. Mine says it takes about 6 quarts, so I got 6 quarts. It's cute. Royal Purple makes like this big jug, right? 5 quarts. So you gotta buy another, right? To make 6 quarts. It's basically like they put pockets on women's clothes and make them smaller and the phone's bigger and bigger. So you gotta buy extra oil, right? So we got 6 quarts of oil here. I probably should have gotten a little extra, but I didn't want to get a whole nother second jug of the big boy here. We also got the Motorcraft FL820S filter. That's what the guy at the store told me to get because his book wasn't out there. So it's a Motorcraft. We're doing Ford things. If you do Ford things, you do Motorcraft. I got Royal Purple because fuck what everybody else thinks. I like Royal Purple Fall Synthetic. I think it does a great job. I get a lot of hate on TikTok.
Use Mobile One.
I don't give a fuck. Royal Purple. It's never done me wrong. Get it. It's like good shit. According to someone who most recently looked at my car, I have gas in my oil because my car's fucked. My car's fucked on a lot of levels. Maybe that's another day for another YouTube video, but about 3.5 shops have gone through looking at this fucking shit after a botched failure of an engine swap, so here we go. So we're gonna jack up this car just for the sake of you being able to see better. You don't have to jack up your car, but if you are, always start by pulling the e-brake and chalking the tires. Check out the tires back here. See, we got some woody boys, so you don't roll backwards when you're cranking your shit up, okay? So we've got this placed on the frame rail, which is the unibody of this car, and we're just gonna slowly jack it up a little bit. And we're just lifting this until we make enough room for the jack stands. We got one of these fancy, what do they call it, that French bridge, that French building. What do they call it? You know what I'm talking about? We got a fancy little Eiffel Tower here, a little mechanic's Eiffel Tower, okay? We got a Harbor Freight Eiffel Tower. We're gonna put our little Eiffel Tower here, under the rail. Nope, feels sturdy to me. That ain't going nowhere, quite literally. This fucking asshole never leaves the driveway. All right. Come look, Croikey. Come look what we have here. We got this silver bolt you probably can't see. You want to try and adjust the exposure, I guess. But we got the pan here. We're gonna loosen this bolt right here. We're gonna crack open this bolt, and that's gonna pour all the oil in here. All right, you get your little glovies, make sure they fucking fit. Doctor. We're gonna watch out. This little piggy makes men uncomfortable. Oh, that was kind of tight. All right. All right, get ready. Only got a little tiny bit on the driveway. Fucking black oil. Pro tip, if you fill your old bottles with the old oil, and AutoZone will take it back and get rid of it for you. And use a box so you don't spill in your yard. All right. Forbidden chocolate milk. Go this way with it a little bit. There you go. We still got room for the other pan. Before you pull your pan out, you put your bolt back in. Oh, it got in the oil. Oh well. It's in there now. Ugh. I can move it a little bit. Yes. Nope, that doesn't help. I'm just spinning this filter until it eventually comes out. All right. Woo. All right. Ugh. News is the kid at the store gave us the right filter number. FL820S, yes. Also, FL820S, awesome. We're gonna take some of the old oil, we're gonna rub it around the ring here. We put the oil around the ring for the seal. All right. Okay. Ugh. 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 Oof, almost got myself in the face with that. This thing twists forever, but I can twist it on faster than I can twist it off. All right, just about snug. You want to see what a sleeper this is when it runs? Look at that. And here we display the 4-valve V8 with the Cobra intake. We're gonna wipe this funnel out before we use it for anything, just so no gunk gets in the new oil. And we're really only showing this so people online don't be like, man, you didn't even clean your fucking funnel. As it is, they're gonna be like, you used raised you fucking purple oil. Idiots. No! Come back here. All right. That's where you put it. Not in here, not in here, in here, okay? Engine oil. Looks pretty clean to me. I mean, it's a little yonk, but it's fine. And now we got our funnel in. since I can do elementary levels of math, we've bought exactly how many quarts Google says this engine needs, which is 6. So I'm just gonna pour it all directly in there. If you bought more, which you should probably have a little extra, but we have a lot in the garage. If you buy more, you have to be careful of how much oil you put in. You don't wanna overdo it or you'll be having to pour some of it back out. Because I'm getting low on blood sugar, so we'll do the heavy first. All right. Ah, he squirted. All right, look at that. It's fucking purple. I got that good purple oil. Look at it go. Hopefully this driveway princess enjoys the new oil. He just recently got an oil change. He shouldn't need another, but alas. Here it is, another oil change. Here's our second thingy-majig. Man, my hand is shaking. You can actually like see my hand shaking now. It's time to eat. All right. And we're just gonna cap this shit back up. And we're good. Once you've given your car a couple minutes for the oil to settle, you're just gonna check your dipstick. We're gonna pull it out here. Okay, we're gonna wipe it off, right? You're gonna use a microfiber because they're always lint-free and you don't want lint getting in there. Shove your little dipstick back in. Pull it back out. And we're gonna read the level, make sure Google was right. Yep, we got oil in there. It's real purple, so it's really light. But you can see when it glistens, it goes, I can't even tell if you can see this or not. You probably can't fucking see it. But believe me, there's oil on there, okay? So now you've seen how to change your oil. It's so easy, a monkey could do it. In fact, half these people in these Valvolines are basically just monkeys. So I've heard many stories about them screwing up people's engines with the wrong oil and stuff. Just do your own oil. Do it in the driveway, save yourself the money. It's a lot cheaper. I spent like 50 bucks on oil and they want to charge you $80 to $90 for an oil change. Just do it yourself. So that's it for today's YouTube video. I've been your host, Ryu. Thanks for joining me on a really basic maintenance video. If you like more of these, thumbs up or leave a comment. And I mean, maybe next time you see this Mustang, it'll be for taking the wing off and like clear coating it again because the thing sat in the sun for years and could really use a new clear coat. You'll see why if you decide that you want to see a video about it. You want to see more videos about the Mustang? Leave a comment below, please, because I'm trying to gauge what you want to see. So let me know. Bye.